Some trees, like pomegranates, almonds, and so on, drop their leaves during the cold season. This is so they can go dormant, as they aren't evergreen, and they can rest. We call it rest because they will still have a chance to restore their energy and build up their stock on the roots. The roots will still be a bit active, not a lot, so they will have chance to repair themselves, etc. During the time when they drop all the leaves, it's a good time to prune them. First we let them drop them all. As you can see, when we shake them a bit, the leaves fall easily, and after they get all without leaves, we just prune them with a bit of common sense. Carefully, with common sense we mean we don't prune them left, right and center. We just prune, for example, this tree, this pomegranate, is growing on 4 main branches. We have 1 here, 2, 3 at the back and 4 here. So it's growing up in the form of a vase, in a 4-figure. It's like this. So we have to remove, for example, let me see, because as we all know, pomegranates have spiny branches. We have to remove this branch which is growing in the center, as we want to open the center a bit for air to get inside. Also, when we prune the center and leave it open, as the sun will reach on the outside and even the inside, fruits will develop equally, both which are at the back and those which are at the front. This means when usually we don't prune fruit trees and leave them in the form of a ball, the fruit that are in the shade usually don't develop very well without sun. So when we prune in the form of a vase, the center is always open, and therefore sunlight will reach each 4 stems and helps the fruit develop and reduce a lot of disease. Fungi, especially during the winter, if there isn't any sunlight reaching them, will have a larger chance to develop. So when we prune them, if pruned correctly, fungi can be controlled naturally with sunlight. So less fungicides are needed. For today, that's all. If you need any tips, just drop us a message. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for all.